Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another day with another unboxing, and for the first time ever, I think, ladies' shoes. So these shoes are not for me, it's for my sister, and I think that they are ugly, or at least not good looking. I got a discount code when I had my birthday recently for 25%, and there were nothing on the site that I wanted, on Nike site. So I asked my family if there was something they needed for the kids or whatever, and my sister wanted these. These shoes are new, so they are not, you can't use any discount or anything on them, which I think is odd because they are now Air Jordans. So they are called Women's Nike Air Max Muse. And I was going to give them to my sister. She asked me if I have taken a look at them, which I have not. And that got me thinking I might as well do an unboxing video of them, since it is a new pair of shoes. So the box is your standard Nike box. You get your Air Force Ones in or whatever. We have metallic paper, chrome paper, so that's a bit cool. And see-through. And the reason why my sister likes them, I think, is because she likes the Nike Shox, the old ones, because they give her a bit of heel. And I thought it was to appear taller or whatever, but she said that her feet are so used to the shoes that have that they're not flat, that she can't at all use shoes that are flat. And I'm pretty sure I haven't had any women's shoes on me. All right, so what I was going to say is that I'm pretty sure that the sole inside is still flat, even though if the shoe looks uneven, like Air Max 90 or something. But yeah, these are absolutely not flat, as you can see. So these gives you a heel and hopefully good damping. They are black. Let's see what the color code is. Black, metallic, silver. So the metallic silver is I don't know. Maybe the Nike logo on the tongue, because otherwise I wouldn't call this glimmery part for metallic silver. Metallic black maybe. And the paper in the box gives you that extra special feeling, and the shimmer maybe so as well. New kind of sole, but I think they are kind of expensive. $180 here in Sweden, maybe a little bit more, 185 maybe. But shoes are expensive today. So here you have them, the Air Max Muse. Was that the name? Air Max Muse, yes. Women's shoes that have a heel, yeah, a heel. They are not flat in the sole, so I hope my sister will like them. They are a size 40.5, women's size. If you have any questions, ask me. I will probably not be able to answer them. I do like, I don't think you can see that in the video, but the mesh sort of glimmer in the lighting. So they are actually kind of cool. And metallic black, as I call it. Yeah, looks new at least. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you are new here. I usually do unboxing videos of men's shoes and everything else that I find interesting. Subscribe.